All right, here is a quick lesson on how to properly set up the Yoast SEO Premium plugins and all of the metadata on your site. So right now I'm on Pages, and we're going to just go to the front page here. So when you mouse over, instead of editing with Elementor like all my clients do, this one specifically we're going to want to edit in the WordPress dashboard. So under here, click on the edit on the left. It will bring up the WordPress editor, which we don't use anymore because most of my clients are all on Elementor, but you'll want to scroll down here to the SEO Premium box. And I want to give you a couple things just to look at. First off, you start with your main key phrase. This would be what is the content of your site. And again, it's a couple words, maybe company name, maybe what's happening. The next thing that you'll want to look down to is make sure the Google preview that you edit to snippet. In this one, I've already edited it. You'll notice this bar will be orange until you get to the approximate right length, which you'll get to green. And if you go over, it'll get to red. So make sure you give a nice meta description. This is what shows up on the search in Google when someone finds you. Also here, you can check readability, which under the Pro version will give you a lot of information. It tells you what's good, what could be fixed. It's a great direction. And social, if you'd like to have a little more control of your post, you can pick which image that you want here. So let's go ahead and just pick the logo and we'll put it in there. So you can control what each page or each post. This is the same for both pages and posts. With Yoast, I will update throughout the updating process. Let's go back here to the SEO tab. So we get the first of the key phrases in here at the top. And then what you'll notice is you come down to the bottom here. Let me minimize the Google preview. You can add additional key phrases. You can add up to 6. One thing I also want to point out is, I'm going to get me out of here, go up to the top, is cornerstone content. So use this sparingly, but use it on your main pages where you're really highlighting the content and the cornerstone information of what you do and who you are on your site. So if it is an important page or conveying an important message, make sure cornerstone is turned off. One of the things I really enjoy here is the insights. So if you go down here, they will give you a list of some of the good key phrases that they see based on the text on your page. So again, go in here and you can relate or add up to 6 related key phrases. I suggest using as many as you can. So we're going to put in the state here as well. I think we mentioned being in Pennsylvania in this particular client. Go ahead and update. And again, the rating system goes from red to orange to green. So kind of like the stoplight. Red really needs some work. Orange is acceptable and green is really good. So look at the analysis under each of these key phrases. It'll tell you how you can improve that rating if you want. Yoast SEO does a really good job of explaining what they're looking for here. So this is just a basic update. Let's go back to all pages. Did that a little too fast. So now we'll go back to all pages. And here on your homepage menu, this stoplight, this can show you each page that's been rated. So this one, the blog, for example, has not. Also want to show you this is exactly the same on posts. So if you're doing your blog posts, you can see nothing here. We haven't started a blog, but if you were, you would go into edit. And again, it comes up right here at the bottom. So we're going to just say hello. Not a good one. We'll try WordPress. This isn't really going to show up because there's only a couple lines here. Yoast recommends about 300 words minimum per page. So you'll need to get that to start getting some of the tools they have. But again, you can see the menu is exactly the same as doing it on pages. So best of luck with what you're doing. And if you have any questions or need any help, don't feel afraid to reach out anytime. Great Things LLC, we're here to help. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button right now. Stay tuned and check out the channel for other interesting and informative videos.